Hi everyone, I'm Bud.
And I'm Weena.
And today we're in the Grimm recording studio.
Did you know that you don't have to have a record player to listen to a vinyl?
You don't?
You don't. We're about to show you how. Here's how you listen to this vinyl record using your smartphone camera feature.
Finding the camera feature on your phone, clicking it here, bringing that up, point and shoot. It brings up this little box right here. Click here and
You're moments away from hearing this record.
then just push play.
If you don't have a QR code reader on your phone, don't fret, you can get one. You can go to Google Play for Android devices, or you can go to iTunes for iOS devices. Otherwise, you can get a free QR code reader by dialing Instant Karma. It's a toll-free number at 833-300-0629. It's 833-300-0629.
You will receive a text to get you free QR code scanner for your phone. Just follow the link and open the camera on your phone and scan QR codes.
Okay, then we should be able to very quickly get a instant text message on our phone. The text just came through and there should be a link in the text. Click on that. It will bring you to the App Store. Open up your app and then you can download the QR scanner for free. I now have the Instant Karma app on my phone. Click on that and point and shoot.
Scanning the vinyl again to hear some great music.
Then press play for instant awesome music. You can use your free QR code reader on anything, print, digital, computer.
Anywhere you see a QR code, you can scan it.
I'm Bud.
I'm Weena.
And we're out.
Peace. Hey, if you're already listening to the Grimm or you like our channel, please give us a shout out. Leave your comments below. We read every single one of them.
And if you don't mind, please rate, review, and subscribe to our channel.
Thank you.